Hello everyone, welcome back to Pabbly. So in today's video, we will understand how to share blogger post on LinkedIn. So here my objective is that whenever I will create and publish a new post in Blogger, then I wish to share the same post in LinkedIn. So now to do this, I will have to build an integration between these two applications, for which I will be using Pabbly Connect, where my trigger application will be Blogger and my action application will be LinkedIn. So to learn more about this integration, follow me through the screen. In this video, we will understand how to share blogger post on LinkedIn. So the idea here is, whenever I will create a new post in my blogger account, then automatically the same post should be shared in my LinkedIn account instantly. So now to do this, I will have to integrate these applications, for which I can use this amazing integration and automation software that is Pabbly Connect. So here as an existing user, I will sign in, but if you are a new user, you can click on the sign up for free button and you will get 100 tasks for free every month. So as an existing user, I am signing in. So this here is the all applications page by Pabbly. I will go to Pabbly Connect and click on access now to reach my dashboard. So this here is my dashboard, and to create a new workflow, I will go to my right hand side corner and click on this create workflow button. So now in this dialog box appearing, I will give my workflow a name. So here I have named it as share blogger post on LinkedIn, and on my left hand side you can see that these are the folders which I have created before. So I want to save this workflow in the folder named as LinkedIn, and here I am going to click on create. So as I did that, now I have arrived on a very important window which consists of trigger and action. Basically, trigger and action are the two most important principles or concepts of Pabbly Connect, on which this entire automation and integration will depend. Trigger says when this happens, action says do this. Action is an automated response of your trigger application, and in a workflow you can only have one trigger but multiple action. So moving to my use case, that is to share blogger post on LinkedIn. So here in my trigger window, I am going to use Blogger as my trigger application, and here it is. And now I will select the trigger event as new post added. So this trigger will start working whenever a new post will be added. So here I've selected my trigger application and the trigger event. So now I'm moving to my action window as I want to share this post in LinkedIn. So here my action application will be LinkedIn, and I'm searching for LinkedIn. Here it is. And then the action event will be share an article or URL. So here I've selected my trigger application and the trigger event along with my action application and the action event. So here my objective is that whenever a new post will be added in my blogger account, then automatically that post should be shared in LinkedIn. So now to do this, firstly I will go to my trigger window, and here I need to establish a connection between Blogger and Pabbly Connect. So here I'm going to click on connect. And now I will go to add new connection. So here I will sign in with my Google account. So here I'm going to click on continue as this is a secure access. And you can see the authorization is successful. So here you can see that Blogger and Pabbly Connect is successfully connected. Now let me take you to my Blogger account. So this here is my Blogger account, and these are the articles which I have created before. So here in Pabbly Connect, I need to select the blog. So here in Blogger, these are my blogs, and I want to use my blog. So here in Pabbly Connect, I've selected the blog as my blog, and the status will be only live. So here if I will click on the save and send test request, then it will capture the most recent blog from Blogger. So here in Blogger, I'm going to create a new post. So here for this new post, I've mentioned the title and the content along with it. So here I also want to add an image. So I'm going to insert image, and then I'm going to upload from computer. I will click on choose files, and this is the image which I want to add. So here the title goes as importance of social media in 2024 and beyond, and this here is the content. So now I'm going to publish this, and I will click on confirm. So here you can see that the post has been published successfully. So here in Pabbly Connect, I've received the response. Here is the URL, here is the title, and scrolling down, here is the content. So now here I've received the content in HTML tag form. So in order to retrieve this HTML tag content to simple text, so over here I will click on this add action step. And now here I'm going to search for data transformer. Here it is. So this data transformer will help me to retrieve this HTML tag content to simple text. So the action events will be, I will simply scroll down and it will be strip HTML tags. So it will strip the given text from the HTML tags. So here I'm selecting it. And now I will click on connect. So here I need to enter the encoded string to decode. So here I'm going to map the response that I have received from Blogger. So basically mapping is to insert the data from previous step. So here from the response, I'm going to search for the content. So here let me search for the content. And here is the content and I've mapped it. So now here I'm going to click on save and send test request. And here you can see that I have got the simple text. So the HTML tags has been removed. So now moving further, as I want to share it as a post on my LinkedIn account. So here in this window, I need to establish a connection between LinkedIn and Pabbly Connect. So here I'm going to click on connect. And now I will add a new connection. So I've already logged into my LinkedIn account. So here I'm going to click on connect with LinkedIn. So here you can see that the connection has been established successfully. So now here in content, firstly, I want to add the title. So here I've added the title. And now I want the content to be added. So from data transformer by Pabbly, I'm going to map the response that I've received. So here I've mapped the content. Now moving to article URL. So here in this article URL field, I'm going to map the image URL. So I'm searching for the image URL and here it is and I've mapped it. So the visibility will be public. So as I've mapped the details over here in these fields, this method of mapping is important so that every time you receive a new response with new data, so that data can be taken into consideration into these fields. If I would have written this information manually, in that case, this information would have become static, which means that it wouldn't change even if I would have received new response. So to avoid that problem, we map the information. So here now I'm going to click on save and send test request to see the response. So here I've received the response and this is a positive response. Now I will take you to my LinkedIn account. So here in LinkedIn, you can see that this here is the title and this here is the content. So that means the post which I have created on Blogger is successfully shared on LinkedIn. So this integration and automation was a successful one. Now whenever a new post will be added in Blogger, then automatically that post will be shared on LinkedIn. Not just these applications, you can integrate a lot more applications with the help of Pabbly Connect. So if you have any doubts regarding Pabbly, reach us at support@pabbly.com, and if you have any queries, you can visit us at forum.pabbly.com. If you have any pricing related query, you can visit this link. So if you like this video, please share it with your friends and colleagues and do not forget to like, share and subscribe our channel.